Guys, we finally have proof that Dogecoin and cryptos are on a brand new bull run, and I'm going to be proving that to you in today's video. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis to see if Dogecoin is headed up or down, so you're definitely going to want to stick around until the end. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. Because of high demand over the years, I now offer my buy and sell trade alerts. If you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day on a lot of different cryptos, I wait for a steep dip. That rare time when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy in so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak. When we've at least made 20 to 30% profits, oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. And congratulations to all my patrons who have been taking my buy and sell trade alerts, because we are positioned very well. And if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the description, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, it doesn't matter if you only have $50, $100, or $200 to invest, it's never too little. And smash that like button if you know Dogecoin is headed to the moon. It really does help out the channel. Guys, as I said, cryptos are about to blast off. Cryptos in general are looking very, very healthy and very bullish currently. We will be taking a look at the charts, and I will be sharing very important pieces of news with you today to confirm this. Yesterday was an amazing day for cryptos. In general, this week, we've had very green days. And I truly believe that we've bottomed out on a lot of different cryptos, and that will be the lowest that we'll likely ever see them hit. Guys, I can see the recovery forming, and I can see that we're actually headed into a brand new bull run, the second most biggest bull run that we've ever seen for cryptos. Guys, I believe that we are headed towards the end of our corrections phase, finally, after this cool down period. This cool down period, of course, happened because we had such massive bumps during the SNL period and thereafter. Guys, some of the biggest whales have been accumulating over the past couple of months because of these massive dips, these massively discounted prices. Because they have the confidence and they know the future of Dogecoin and other cryptos. Guys, an article just came out titled, "Traders Think Bitcoin Price Bottomed Out at 29,000. Guys, don't forget that Dogecoin stabilizes the entire crypto market, and it does decide if the rest of the cryptos follow up along with it. Guys, Doge can't pump if Bitcoin is continuing to go down. Therefore, Bitcoin is showing us awesome moves, and guys, I think we have some massive green days here just within the next week, and you want to get in before this happens. So be sure to have some cash on the side and wait for my buy and sell trade alerts on my Patreon. And guys, if we see Dogecoin and other cryptos pump while Doge is headed down, yes, it can happen, but it only lasts for a very short amount of time. That volatility is very short-lived. And guys, when Bitcoin and Ethereum start to move up quickly and rapidly, we will see Dogecoin follow up along with it. And like we've seen, guys, Dogecoin oftentimes is much more stable and goes up much faster than the other altcoins as well. Guys, this is because there's a much lower market cap. They can move up a lot faster, double faster, and quadruple much faster as well. Guys, I'm hearing a lot of crypto experts, including myself, conjecturing that we will never see such low prices ever again for cryptos. Guys, this B-word event did set us and help us to set us on a brand new bull run. And guys, that's why we keep buying and accumulating. That's why I keep putting out these trade alerts to buy the dips. Guys, you want to buy on these dips and accumulate, because you never know when we're going to be on another bull run. Guys, it could happen any second now. You don't want to buy on that uptrend, guys, because it's usually too late by then. You don't want to have FOMO. You want to buy at these dips so that you don't have any regrets, so that you don't wish you got in when it's going up. Guys, when I saw Cardano over $2, guys, I had wished I got in early. Now is the time to get in. With it below $1, it is the perfect time to be getting in. So wait for my trade alert on that one so I can let you know when we see a steep dip. Guys, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my experience and software. And if you don't yet have a platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the top pinned comment. If you deposit $100 or more using that link, you get 2 free stocks worth of $4,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, 6 months down the road, it wouldn't surprise me if Cardano was over $2, maybe even 3 or 4 by then, and then if Dogecoin had already hit $1 by then. Guys, you don't want to wish you had gotten in at this 19-cent level for Dogecoin. Guys, you want to buy when cryptos are consolidating, when they crash, when they go low. You don't want to buy when they're 50% higher, 100 times higher, or 200 times higher. Guys, by then it'll be too late. Guys, the smaller retailer investors that don't have the proper experience and aren't ahead of the curve by watching these videos or getting my trade alerts, guys, they buy when they reach their peak. They think to themselves, wow, I'm greedy now. I have FOMO now. I wish I got in earlier. However, I'll just buy at the peak because I know no better. Guys, you know better than that. You know to buy at the dips, and that's why you want to have some cash on the side and wait for my trade alert. The difference could be almost 50 to 100% easily if you buy now versus several months from now. Guys, an article just came out titled, Bitcoin Traders Watch 32K Ahead of Friday's $33 million Bitcoin Options Expiry, which means that there's over $250 million of people betting whether Bitcoin will go up or down. Guys, right now, Bitcoin is holding strong at 32,000. And if it can remain at 32,000 or going higher, guys, this is a very bullish sign. And because Bitcoin is holding strong, that's one reason why I know that we are about to be on our second biggest bull run. Guys, I'm not the only one that thinks that we hit our bottom. The news, the media, and different massive other crypto experts have also conjectured this. Other than when big whales sell out and I let you guys know about these steep dips. And guys, the smartest investors know to buy when most people have fear. Guys, it's oftentimes the right thing to do the opposite of what the smaller retailer investors are doing, because their emotions are telling them to sell, guys, because they don't want to lose it all. They don't want it to go down to zero, even though it definitely won't. That's why you're ahead of the curve watching these videos and knowing not to listen to your emotions when you have greed or fear, but rather to do the opposite. And guys, every time we reach this mark on the Fear and Greed Index, we always have a massive bounce. So guys, expect that very, very soon. And like I said, due to all that fear, it is sparking a massive bounce in the entire crypto market. And I conjecture this will happen just within the next 48 hours. So guys, be ready and have some cash on the side to buy the dip. Guys, even if you don't have enough money to purchase Bitcoin, even if you don't have any assets in Bitcoin, guys, it's still very important to pay attention to the Bitcoin charts, the Bitcoin news, because what Bitcoin is doing determines what the rest of the crypto market does as well. Guys, expect for us to break out of the downtrend for Bitcoin just within the next 48 hours. It is headed up currently, and it is likely to hit our level of resistance and surge past it. Guys, we are currently seeing Cardano forming a reverse head and shoulders pattern, which is very, very bullish. And guys, we're seeing Ethereum do this as well. Just some more symbols and some more proof that I know we are about to be on our second biggest bull run. And once we approach that neckline, when the reverse head and shoulders pattern is completely finished, guys, expect for a massive breakout just thereafter, and that happens a little over 80% of the time. We could very easily see 100% profits on Cardano just within the next 48 to 72 hours because of this. Cardano is also showing us a bullish flag and then consolidating thereafter, which is only more proof that we will likely see a huge breakout very, very soon. Ethereum is showing that same similar bullish flag, so expect to see Ethereum bust past 2200 or 2300 just within the next few days. Dogecoin also just broke out of its downward trend, just as you see right here, guys. We have a lot of green candlesticks headed straight up from here. As you can see, we also see an inverse head and shoulders playing out on our Dogecoin chart, with the head being right here and each shoulder on either side. That bullish flag on the Dogecoin charts is displayed to us because there is a bullish flag and then a consolidation period, a triangular pattern just thereafter. And inevitably, after that triangular consolidation period, we will see it moving and pumping very hard. And because of the options expiration tomorrow, guys, there will be some massive volatility for Bitcoin. And guys, I expect it to be on the uptrend. Guys, this will simultaneously bring up the rest of the cryptos, Cardano, Dogecoin, Ethereum, and a lot of others that we all love so much. Guys, if you remember, Bitcoin went up from 30,000 to 60,000 just within about a month. So if Bitcoin can do that, the other altcoins sure can as well. So guys, that's just a friendly reminder that it is not out of the question for Bitcoin to easily hit 100,000 or higher just by the end of this year. And if that can happen, I don't see why Dogecoin couldn't hit $2 or $3 by then as well. So guys, if you haven't already joined my Patreon, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts, and it's in the top pinned comment. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for a steep dip on a lot of different cryptos when all the whales have sold out, when there's only about 5 or 10 minutes to get in. I let you guys know that I'm ready to buy so that you guys can buy as well. I then watch the charts and wait for a peak when we've at least made 20 to 30% profits oftentimes double or more. I then let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well, or hold with diamond hands. And also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway, you can do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the description where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.